Reporting live from the docks, this is your special roving exploding sausage reporter with the latest in headline news. A rash of dairy thefts continues to baffle authorities, and the question on everyone's lips remains, who stole the cheese?
I was walking down the street one night. There was a cool breeze. I noticed something was missing. It was the cheese. Someone stole the cheese. I looked left, I looked right. There was no one there. But most importantly, that cheese had vanished in thin air.
Who stole the cheese?
There were no options here. Something had to be done. It was gonna be a hard job. Wasn't gonna be any fun. I found the cheese detective to find out who stole the cheese.
Whoa, who stole the cheese? I said, whoa, who stole the cheese?
To cut a very long story rather short, I'll just tell you the end. After months and months investigating, to jail we did send. One guilty party, one nasty man. It was the cheese investigator who had nicked that cheese again.
The cheese!